Have you ever wondered why you look the way you do? Why your hair is black but your brother's is blonde? Why you have short legs but your father could dunk in the third grade? Well, the short answer is genes. According to the National Institutes of Health, our current textbook, and every teacher I've ever had, genes are the basic functional unit of heredity. Every individual has 2 copies of the same gene, one inherited from each parent. These short segments of DNA code for proteins that control a variety of cell functions and structures. During mitosis, DNA in the nucleus is wrapped around proteins called histones and packaged into chromosomes. Every individual has 22 homologous autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. Females have 2 X sex chromosomes, while males have both an X and a Y chromosome. The Y chromosome contains genes that code for a variety of male traits, including but not limited to sperm production, testes development, male fetal development, air guitar practicing, total lack of recall for dates, and inability to express emotion over the phone. Those last few traits are courtesy of biologyjokes.com. Genes on the Y chromosome are incredibly important to males, but did you know that some of them are slowly disappearing? Disappearance of genes from the Y chromosome is not a new phenomenon, as the Y chromosome has lost around 640 genes it once shared with its X counterpart. In fact, in the case of the Ryukyu spiny rat, the Y chromosome has disappeared entirely, with the genes moving from the sex chromosomes to other autosomes. Further, recent research from Jennifer Hughes and colleagues purports that 4 important genes that code for protein synthesis and degradation have up and vanished in a wide range of mammalian cells. So, this begs the question, where did they all go? Well, it turns out that the 4 genes identified by Jennifer F. Hughes and her team have been relocated to the X chromosome and other autosomes in those mammals. One specific example of this is the EIF2S3 gene present in both humans and rodents. That gene is present on both the X and the Y chromosome in rodents, but is missing from the Y chromosome in humans. Researchers found that the gene was still present in the genome, it had just been backed up to an autosome for safekeeping. This suggests that the genes are being relocated because they are indispensable for normal development. However, there are some severe health implications. In human males, the EIF2S3 gene plays a role in normal testes development. The increased activity of the autosomal copy of the gene suggests that it also plays a role in sperm development. In healthy males, this poses no threat as both copies of the gene remain in the genome. But what happens when the genes are not backed up? Lower male fertility rates could be the outcome of such a scenario. In conclusion, research has shown that multiple genes have been lost from the Y chromosome in humans and other mammals. Some essential Y genes are rescued by relocating to other chromosomes. This ultimately identifies an important genetic factor in male infertility. Jennifer Hughes adds, this research adds a new complexity to our understanding of the role of sex chromosomes, genes, and sex-specific characteristics, which warrant further investigation. Since Watson and Crick, the field of genetics has expanded at a monumental pace. Who knows where it will go next?